Today we're making sous vide Cajun shrimp. This Cajun recipe for these shrimp is so easy. I've got 1 pound peeled, deveined, fresh shrimp. Now, what I've got here is the Cajun seasoning we're using is Slap Ya Mama. I've got 2 teaspoons of the Slap Ya Mama, a half a teaspoon each of oregano and thyme, and then we're going to put about a teaspoon of lemon juice in here. Okay, and then I have 2.5 teaspoons of melted butter, and we'll just mix this together. It's nice and blended up, and then I'll show you how we're going to get these shrimp in the bag and get them in our sous vide water bath. Okay, I've got my shrimp here. They're all sealed up. We've got our Anova set to 135. Just going to put my shrimp down in here, clip it to the side so that it doesn't get in the way, and we're going to let this cook for 30 minutes. And you want to make sure, let me just get it down in there a little bit further, you want to make sure that it's covered good in the water. Like I said, 30 minutes. I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil here. Take that sous vide shrimp, I'm going to cut the top of the bag off. Okay. Now, I'm not going to put the shrimp in here because the shrimp are cooked perfectly from the sous vide bath. But I don't want to lose any of that good Cajun, those good Cajun juices and the good shrimp flavor. I'm just going to pour it in here. Okay. And let me get this all stirred in together, and then we'll plate this up and give it a try. Okay, we've got our rice here. Just going to have out some of those shrimp on there, right? What do you think? Okay, now we're going to give these guys a try. Okay, so what I'll do first is we'll just try the shrimp to see if it's worth the sous vide effort. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, definitely worth the 30 minutes. These shrimp, the texture on these shrimp is so soft. There's nothing chewy about these shrimp. I mean, it's almost like they melt in your mouth. They've definitely got a great Cajun seasoning, Cajun flavor. Let's give that rice a try. Okay, so I was a little skeptical going into this. You know, sous vide 30 minutes, was it worth all that extra time? I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the time. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. If you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit that armadillo pepper icon up in the corner. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below.